Are you like me, stuck with this old, crusty laptop and looking to build your dream gaming PC? Well, look no further. Go check out EVAC Tech. They've got all the parts and expert advice that you'll ever need for your PC building experience. Here is a clip of one of their Ryzen 5 7600 and RTX 3080 builds.
This is one of the best budget to performance desktops in South Africa. It has an RTX 3080, 32GB of DDR5 RAM, Ryzen 5 7600 with an ID cooling CPU fan and 1TB SSD space. This is how it performs inside of games while streaming at the same time.
Well, I think that sums it up. Go check out EVAC Tech to build your ultimate gaming PC.